Let's say there's a piece missing from your kit. It is a tradition in the model kit business and culture that if a manufacturer ships a kit with missing parts, you can write them asking for whatever is missing. Dragon established a function called Dragon Care for this purpose. But in my own experience, they do not send replacements even if you write them several times over the span of a year or two. I am not alone in this experience, unfortunately, as I will show in an anonymized form on the screen now. For me, this leads to the conclusion that Dragon is having financial difficulties, and that this has been the case for many years now. It gels well with the fact that they are now mostly reissuing older kits, at least in 1:35 scale. Nothing wrong with reissuing older kits though, if those kits are sought after. That's actually really cool, especially when it comes to kits that people speculate in financially, like some Dragon kits. But falsely advertising customer service where in reality there is none is definitely not cool. And that is precisely what my impression is here. The solution to this Dragon problem might be buying from sellers which have gone through the kit before you, ensuring that all the parts are indeed there, or buying from one of the retailers which are actually trustworthy.